Here, the question says the sum of two numbers is 36 and their difference is 9. Find the number. So we can say let the numbers are R, X and Y. Okay. Now, the question says sum of the numbers. So according to the question, we can write sum of two numbers. That means X plus Y is 36, where X is the largest number and Y is the smallest number. So, and their difference is 9. So if we write X minus Y, then it will be 9. Now the question asks to find out the numbers. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So how can you solve? Very simple one. Just add them. So if we write add equation 1 and 2, then what will we get? We can write x plus y equal to 36 and x minus y equal to 9. After adding them, we will get 2x equal to 36 plus 9 will be 45. Now, what is the value of x? X will be 45 by 2. So, x will be 22 whole 1 by 2 or 22.5. Now, we need to find out the other numbers. So, how can we find out the other number? So, choose equation 1 or equation 2. So, if we write from equation 2, what will we get? X means 22.5 minus y equal to 9. Then y will be 22.5 minus 9. So after subtracting 9 from 22.5, what will we get? We can write 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, that means 13.5. And this is our final solution.